Good morning. It's a little bit after 8 a.m. Sunday morning. So there's 2 weeks to my half marathon. And looking at the schedule, I done messed up. And I think I either skipped a week or something. Because this week is actually supposed to be my cutback week. In reality, it's supposed to be next week. But whatever. Still got 8 miles on the calendar. I'm gonna do those. Then next week, I think I'm just gonna adjust and just take it from there. But it's a beautiful day here in North Texas. It's like 60 degrees right now. So we're gonna enjoy this run. So I'm currently at a 9:37 pace. I'm almost at about 4.5 miles. So the interesting thing is, I started my normal long run route. And I crested this hill, and I saw a gang of vultures, and they were actively eating something in the distance. And I know my experience is coming up on, I don't know what they're called, like a gang of vultures. You don't want to mess with them, so I just let them be, turned around, and readjusted my route. So the way I'm going now, I should hit 8 miles by the time I get back to the house. But I did a previous video about learning something new and different during and after every training cycle. And this one is just to write it down. I've been meaning to print out my my training plan and write it down. I just didn't this time, and oh well. But flexible and adaptable is the name of the game. All right, let's go. All right, I am at 7 miles, 9:32 pace, 147 heart rate, which is good. I feel good. The original training plan, it called for 8 miles, just calling the pace of whatever I'm comfortable with. I am comfortable at this pace. I haven't overworked myself, at least I feel. I don't feel dehydrated. I actually got me some hydration. I'm excited about that. Not water like I had last Sunday. But like I said, I got to stay flexible and adaptable. I got to kind of make up or adjust this plan for this week coming up. So I'm going to ask my run coach, I'm going to ask a couple of people for advice, for some suggestions. If you have any suggestions about what I should do or how I should adjust my training week coming up, the week before the half marathon, please let me know. Leave a comment down below. This is the Beer Runner. Make sure you like and subscribe. I just want to come on and say, hey, little short video. So I'm going to go ahead and finish knocking out the rest of this run. I'll probably finish up with about 8.5 miles. But it's a beautiful day here in North Texas. Hope it's beautiful where you are. If you're racing this weekend, happy running. Remember, tomorrow's Medal Monday. But that's it for me. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. I'm the Beer Runner, and I'm out.